Guys, so in the last video we learned about what is controller and how can we include controller in the VF page. So today we are going to learn more. So first of all, let us know how to refer the parent fields in the objects. So it is referred like this: child object name dot relationship name dot parent field name. Let us know about first standard relationships related to standard objects. Okay, see like this. Here child object name is contact and child object field is here. Three fields are taken and we have to refer the fields. So like this we have to refer contact dot last name like this. So here relationship field is account and parent object name is account. So how can we refer this like this: contact dot account dot name, contact dot account dot rating, contact dot account dot industry. Okay, let's take one example. Okay, here one custom field is taken. So let's take one example, then we can understand easily. For this reference, parent to child reference, so if you see here, the standard controller is taken as contact and section header title is contact and page block is taken. Title details of contact dot last name. So here page block section is taken and output field is taken. Okay, see here only contact is taken in the output field. In the next section, both contact and contact dot account dot name is taken. So here two objects are taken in this taken into consideration. So let's see how it will be displayed. Let's preview this. So here we are referring the account from contact. So see here the output field values are displayed in the contacts, same as the look and feel of the contacts tab. Okay, like this it will be displayed and we can refer the one object from another object. So like this. So here let's see another example in regarding case. Here child object name is case and parent object name is owner and we have to refer the owner from case. Okay, so next one is relationship field account. So like this we have to refer from case dot account dot owner dot last name. Okay, so here let's take another example for standard relationships. Case to account. Okay, so here 2 page blocks are taken. Okay, only 1 page block and 2 page block sections are taken, and then here standard controller is taken as a case. Here in this output field value, here contact is taken, case.contact.name, case.account.name, case.status. Okay, here parent details are taken, case.account.phone, owner.name. Okay, let's see this. See, like this the details are displayed: subject name, account name, status, and parent details, phone name. It's like this, it's displayed. Okay, next we'll move on to the custom relationships in the reference from child to parent. So here it is, we are referring from child to parent. Okay, here same in custom relationships also we'll refer like this: child object name dot relationship name _r dot parent field name. Okay, here let's take this example. Here child object is employee, parent is department, and we have to refer the department name. Okay, let's take this. See here, in this first page block section, employee details are taken: name, department name, status, years of experience. So these 4 are the fields and this is the object name. So here in the department details we are taking the relationship field in the middle of the employee and department. So like this it's taken. Let's save this first. So here one error is there, I think. Couldn't resolve field department name. Let's see the field what is there. Okay, let's see the field label. Okay, here department name is not there, so we'll create a new field. Okay, so couldn't resolve field department name from the binding, the page custom relationship. Okay, status, level, years of experience, department name. Okay, let's create one field. So we'll create that field now, and then we'll proceed with that page. Okay, so it's taking. So now the custom field department name is created in the employee. Okay, so we'll save this now. Okay, let's check whether now error will come or not. Okay, okay, see. Okay, here years of experience is already there. I don't know why it's. Okay, we have to change this name. Okay, here department name R is taken as a relationship field. So why it is showing invalid field? It's already there now. Okay, let's see the next example for this. I think some error is there. Okay, referring the relationship field directly in the standard relationships. Okay, so we can refer the relationship field directly in standard relationships. Child object name dot relationship field plus id. Okay, so let's take this example. Okay, let's take the new example. So here in this output field value directly account.id is displayed. Let's save this first. So let's preview this. So like this, account name and contact name are displayed. We have taken directly id in the page, details, subject. Okay, so we'll see now how to insert the record into the object using standard controller. So standard controller is an inbuilt that has standard methods like save, cancel, delete, edit. So in the command button component, we give the attribute action as save, and then we give the value as save. So the method save will behave similar to the save functionality of the standard page. So it inserts the specified field values into the object and redirect to the detail page. Okay, let's see this example now. So in this page, we have taken standard controller as account, and then here two command buttons are there. Before this command button, we have to include page block button, and page block button should be the child to page block. Okay, next we have taken page block section. So here in this input field, we enter the values for name, phone, industry and rating. Then we will save this. Okay, see, like this we'll enter the data now. See, directly the account named Sandeep is created through this page. Okay, so like this, through the action attribute we can save the data. So next we'll see the another example using the standard controller method save for opportunity. Okay, oh, I think I didn't copy this opportunity. Okay, it's copied now. Okay, let's save this. Okay, it's saved now. Let's preview this. Okay, opportunity name OPTI 2. Okay, let's save this, or when we press the cancel button, so it's get cancelled. Okay, so let's preview this one more time. Let's save this. See, new opportunity is created. Okay, here amount is created, close date, stage. Okay, let's see the next example. So how to edit or delete the record using standard controller. Okay, how to bring inline edit support to particular field. Okay, see, inline edit means we can click then and there itself and we can edit what the value we want. Let's see this example. See here, output field is taken and we will include the page component. Okay, and then we'll include one page block section also. Okay, then we'll include form and then page block page block section. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, let's try to save this. We will have to take the standard controller. Okay, we have to include form component also. Okay, it's saved now. Let's preview this. Opportunity name is created. Event on double click. So if you double click, it will get edited. Let's see this. See, when we double click this, we can edit the opportunity name. This is called inline edit support. Okay. Like this. So we can refresh also. So when we double click on this, we can edit the field. So we have seen now how to inline edit the particular field. Now we will see how to inline edit the particular section. Okay, so how to bring inline edit support to entire section. Let's take this opportunity example. So in this page, so here we have taken opportunity as a standard controller, and then here mode is taken as inline edit. Okay, here only for the one field we have taken. So for one field we will take the inline edit support component, and then we will take the event attribute as on double click. Okay, so here for the page block, mode is inline edit as taken. So here 3 buttons are included. Okay, so next one, we have taken another page block section and output field. Okay, here inline edit support event is taken. Let's save this first. So here if you consider this, so we can edit the opportunity name, and then we can edit the stage, and we can edit the amount, and we can edit the close date also. So like this. Okay, let's do this. So if you double click on that, okay, stage field, it will get displayed. This is called inline edit support. Okay, event. Okay, close date. Let's try to save this. So we have given the action save for the edit value button. See, like this, the new opportunity is created. Okay, so we have to take the mode attribute in the page block title itself component, then it will give all the inline edit to the field components. Okay, the output field. So recently we have seen, no, we can double click on the field itself, and we can give the value, and then we can save directly. So next we will move on to the next topic. So how to refer the child fields from the parent object. So recently we have seen how to refer the parent from the child. So now we'll see how to refer the child from the parent object. So like this, the syntax is like this: the parent object name dot child relationship name. So here child relationship name is the plural name of the child object in the case of standard relationships. Okay, so if it is the custom relationships, it is the plural name of the child object with appended with text _r. Okay, see, if you observe here, some of the examples are there. Here parent is account and child is customer. So parent object name is account, and here child relationship name is the plural of the customer object, custom object. Okay, okay, if the default name is changed, we can keep like this. Okay, okay, next we'll move on to, so how to display the table of data or list of data from object without writing apex classes. Okay, using standard list controller. So here standard list controller used to get data from, so from the objects. Okay, we have to, in case we have to get the table of data from the object without writing apex classes, then standard list controller is used. Okay, so here if you see, here in the page component, standard controller is taken as account, and record set where attribute is added for the standard list controller page. So if record set where attribute is added, then it is considered as a standard list controller. So in record set where we can give the, so we can give the words as we want. So like this, for account ACCS is included as a record set where. Okay, so here these are the 4 looping components: page block table, data list, and repeat. So we'll see this in the next videos. Okay, let's move for the standard list controller. Okay, so what are the methods in the standard list controller to navigate the page? So So if the data is displayed, we can navigate the data using these buttons. So these methods, next, previous, and first, last. So if you click on the next button, then the next data will be displayed after the displaying data. So like this, previous, first, and last is used. So let's take one example for the standard list controller for the account. So here standard controller is taken as account and record set var is ACCS. So command link is used here. So for the pagination of the page, so 2 command links are used and 2 command buttons are used. Okay. So next, in the next page block table, so here first page block table is displayed. We can use data table also. Here value is taken as the record set var attribute we have given now in the page component. Here it is taken and variable is taken as A. So in the columns you have to take like this: A dot name, phone, industry, annual revenue. Let's save this first. Okay, let's go to the first. Okay, here I think no accounts are there, that's why it is. So if you click here all accounts, so wait, let's preview this now. See, all the accounts are created. So if you select if you go to the accounts page and if you select which accounts to be displayed, then those accounts will only be displayed in this page. Okay, let's go to the first. Okay, previous, next, okay, last. Okay, like this we can display the list of data using standard list controller. And let's take the next example. So write a standard list controller to display the list of contacts using page block table. See, like this the list of data is displayed for contacts. So here standard controller is taken as a contact. So if you see the difference, here C is capital and here we have taken a smaller one. So we have to take like this, otherwise we will get error regarding this. Okay, so here we have taken variable as C, and in this, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 fields are taken. Okay, let's save this first. So we have to include the data inside the table. Okay, it may be page block table or it may be data table. So page block table must be the child to the page block. Okay, have to select all contacts, then it will display the all contacts in the Anara arc. Okay, let's refresh this. See, all the contacts are displayed here. Last name, first name, phone, email, account name is displayed, industry is displayed. See, for the account name here directly account ID is taken, and for the industry account not industry is taken. So like this the data is displayed. Okay, so this is about standard list controller. So how to refer the child records for the parent record? In like this, let's see the example. So here we are referring the child records for a parent records. So here parent object name and this is the child object name. Here plural is taken. Okay, here variable you have to take. Let's see this example. So a page is created now. So here we have taken first the output field values, name, phone, rating, industry, and here in the page block table we have taken like account.contacts. Let's save this first. Okay, save now. See, like this name, phone, industry, rating are displayed. Account name, let's try to save this. Okay, let's preview this once again. I think another page block is not displayed. Okay, I don't know why it's not displaying. Okay. So let's see the another example for standard list controller. So here we have taken standard controller as account and record set far as ACCS. So here the contacts are displayed as a list of data in this table. So the contacts associated with the account are displayed in the table. So here column value taken as a.name. So for account name only displayed, for the contacts last name, first name, phone and email are displayed. Okay. See here, first account name is displayed, and then here last name, first name, phone, email are displayed. Okay, like this the data is displayed. Okay, so here 4 columns are displayed, and here another column. So we'll see the differences in page block table, data list and repeat. Okay, these 4 are the looping components in the page. Let's see through one example. Okay, so here standard controller is taken as account and in the first page block. So here title taken and mode is taken, main detail. So here page block table value and variable is taken. So in the next page block data table is taken. So what is the difference between page block and data table? So in the page block table, in the column component header value is not included. So in the data table header value is also included. Okay, so in this data list, so the data is displayed as directly as a list. So here only value is included, and in this repeat, so data is displayed in the repeat manner. Let's save this and let's understand properly how it is previewed. Okay. See, the data is displayed like this in the page block table. So in the data table it is displayed like a table. Okay, here it is the header value, account name, industry, revenue. So data list is displayed like this, like a buttons. So if you use repeat, so it's displayed like this as a general data. Okay, this is the differences between these four looping components. So today we have learned about parent to child and child to parent reference in the pages, and then we have known about the standard list controller. Okay, and the looping components in the VF pages. Let's see the data table and then facet and output link in the next video.